welcome back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So, as you can see from the title down below, we have another brand new subscription, and that is the Daily Dose Box, Nourish Your Soul. So, this is a quarterly box. So, this is only every, fall, winter, spring, summer. I'm going to tell you all about it. Before I do, again, I want to say thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having an amazing day. And if you're new, please go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. We do all kinds of fun unboxings, from lifestyle to beauty, skincare, snack subscriptions. We do everything. We do it all. But we also have quite a few giveaways going on here on our channel, which is pretty normal. We usually always have at least one, if not two, giveaways going on. And we always do fun Wednesday night live streams. So like I said, go ahead and smash that button, become a part of our family. We'd love to have you. But let me go ahead and tell you guys about the Daily Dose, and then we will get into this box. So I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. Now it does ship worldwide, so that is good. But it says, nourish your soul each season with a personally curated prescription to spark your spirit. The Daily Dose Box has everything you need to create your sacred space and tools to help you on your spiritual journey. Subscribers can expect seasonal candles, journals, inspirational books, meditations, and many more surprises. Now, first, I do want to say thank you so very much to Daily Dose for sending this to me for review. I do greatly appreciate that. Also, I want to let you know that it is $72 a season for the box. However, if you go ahead and prepay for a year, so for the 4 boxes, you can actually get that for $199. So that makes it $48.75 a box. So that's a really good discount. But let's get in here and see what all it is about and what we got. Now, this, I do know, this is their summer box. They are still in the process of curating their fall box. So this is actually the summer 2019 box. So I think that should do it. All right, so Daily Dose, how to get the most out of your summer box. Summer, a time for fun and relaxation. Soaking up those warm summer rays is refreshing and invigorating. It's the perfect season for your inner light to shine bright. As soon as you open your summer box, there is no right or wrong way to use these items. The idea is that you create a rhythm that works for you. Below are suggestions to get you started. However, be creative. Do what feels best for you. It's time to spark your spirit. All right, so then I guess it's featured companies. Okay, so we will reference this when we need to. There are a lot of squigglies here, so let me move some of those and we'll get into the box. It is packaged very well, so everything is like nice and secure. Okay, so there's not, there is a list, I guess, but not really, but we're just going to start. I see something right here. What is this? Oh, what is this? Garden Grow Kit, Sweetie Cherry Tomato. Start indoors and transplant outdoors. This all-inclusive grow kit is proudly packaged in a cow pot, a nutrient-rich and biodegradable planter that will help heal your soil and support healthy plant growth. Oh, that's awesome. So it includes the seeds, So you could start it inside, and then you just plant this whole thing outside, and you can grow you some tomatoes. Yay! Let's see, does it say anything about get your hands dirty with your garden grow kit? The connection to plants and earth are life-giving and renewing. That's really awesome. So yay. Okay, let's see. We got something over here wrapped up. I'm a little nervous. First of all, how do I get... Oh no! It's broken. Oh, okay, so I'm not gonna take it out, but that stinks because it would have been so cute. It's a coffee cup, and it looks like maybe orange handle with orange around the rim, but it looks like it says dream. But the handle's broken, and it's broken here, and I don't know how that could have happened. They had this thing packaged so well. Oh, but so there would have been a really cute coffee cup. Inspirational mug. And it looks like there's going to be some teas in here too. Oh, that stinks. That was cute. Let me see if I can find... okay, so we've got these are the teas. We have a sweet rhubarb, a rose lemonade, and a sour cherry. Deep, complex, and rich, this indulgent infusion is jam-packed with the flavor of dark red fruit. And then this one, fresh, radiant, and bright. This floral infusion is a sunny celebration of rose petals and citrus. And vibrant, refreshing, and sweet, this glorious infusion is jammed full of the flavor of tangy rhubarb. So we got some yummy teas. And then, what is this? 50 inspirational insight cards. Oh, and it's got one of my favorite quotes. She believed she could, so she did. Affirmations are mental vitamins. Let this pack of 50 beautiful and inspiring affirmation cards lift you up as you go about your day. Select one, make its quotation your theme, and see what you can accomplish. Share them with family, friends, and colleagues to spread joy. Oh, I like that. So... choose an affirmation card to set your thoughts in a positive grounding direction for your day. I love that so much. And then we have, what is this? Is this a candle? Soy wax candle, hand poured in Chattanooga, Tennessee. It says, light your summer candle as you unwind from the day. Oh, oh my gosh, that smells so good. It smells so refreshing and just really good. But you guys, look at that. That is so pretty. That's just gorgeous. I love that. And y'all know I just love candles, so yay. And it smells fantastic, and that's so unique. I love that so much. Okay. Then we have here this is from Mud Love. I remember seeing this on the back of the card. This is a bracelet, and that feels, I guess, like mud, like hard dried mud. It's a bracelet. It says shine. That is really different. I like that. I haven't seen anything like that before. Wear your bracelet and remember to let your light shine wherever your summer adventures take you. Oh, I like that a lot. All right, and then let's see, we've got Good Day Start with Gratitude Journal. This is really pretty. Spend time in gratitude as you physically write out the many blessings you experience daily in your gratitude journal. And then when you open it, the pages, it says, Good Day Start with Gratitude. And then it just has like the date and I am thankful for. I really like that. And it looks like there's a different quote, like the discipline of gratitude is the explicit effort to acknowledge that all I am and have is given to me as a gift of love, a gift to be celebrated with joy. So it's got some fun, inspirational, or uplifting quotes, and then you can write down what you're thankful for. I really like that. And then it looks like we have one more item in here. Is this from that? Is this another candle? It is. Was this? Yep, Almanac Supply Company. This is Ritual. And it says begin your day by lighting your ritual candle and spend time in prayer or meditation, simply starting at the flame and taking 5 deep breaths while setting your intentions can help you set a positive tone for the day. This is unscented. This one does not have a scent, but it's a ritual candle. So we got this ritual candle, this summer candle that smells so good and is so cute with the little pebbles and stones in there. Gorgeous. We got this bracelet that says shine. We got 3 different yummy sounding teas. The affirmation cards, she believed she could, so she did. We got, unfortunately, the broken mug, the cherry tomato, grow your own little garden fun, it's not a box, but planter. And then we got the Good Day Start with Gratitude journal. So I think this was really cute and a good, assortment of products. I love the candle, love the teas, love the cards. The cup would have been great. Unfortunately, like I said, it did arrive broken. I love the idea of starting the like cherry tomato little plant, the journal, teas, the ritual candle, all of it is just, I think it's a great assortment, great products. They all seem to be really good quality. So I really liked this. These 2 honestly are probably my favorite. She believed she could, so she did the set of the affirmation cards and the candle, because I just think that is so pretty with those stones in there and it smells fantastic. So that was the Summer 2019 Daily Dose box. I will leave a link down below, like I said, if you would like to sign up for their fall box. Let me know your thoughts down below. I do love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.